What's going on, guys? It's WildGoatFX here, and today I'm going over my weekly watch list for you guys to watch out for the stock market, and this is what my paid group is looking at. So let's get into it. These are all the stocks. If you want to take this out and screenshot it, uh, go ahead. But for Apple, what we're looking at is it's a clear breakout. You can see right here. Um, as soon as it breaks over the 9-day, we can see it push up to about 140, 144. Probably 140 this week. That makes more sense. There is a clear gap right here. Um, but yeah, keep that on the lookout. Beyond could be a resistance bounce right here. You could see it jump back up about $10 this week. Costco. This is a stock that I called in my last video. I called calls on it. I said it would dip down after earnings as it did, or after dividends, which it did. If you guys got in, you're actually on a good move up. It's moved up $4 on an option trade. You can see about a 30% move. So it's a really nice play right there. ET clear. You can obviously see it's a clear breakout here. W pattern. So as soon as it breaks out, we can see it at least cover this gap up here. Otherwise, we'll see it come back down in the trend down to here. Fiverr, again, another clear breakout. Here's the top, of course, a little bit higher. And all we're going to see is a breakout. I'm thinking it's going to break out just because ER is coming up, and it usually runs up into ER on a good earnings report. And I believe they'll probably have a good earnings report since Christmas came out and people were trying new Fiverr um, gigs. And then here we go again, another clear breakout. GM could go up or it could go down. Either way, we're looking for a rise up though. So if we do see a green candle tomorrow and it holds in the first 30 minutes, I'm jumping in calls and we're going to hold it up. Um, HD, uh, easy. It's in a trend, in a downtrend, but breakout or breakdown. Either way, that's most of the stocks I'm looking at. Again, this one, huge gap resistance, and it's at the top of a breakout. If it breaks up, we see it fill the gap, and if it doesn't, it's coming back down. JPM, another one, looking for the breakout. You guys can see it's in a uptrend. I don't know why I'm getting bad at drawing, but here we go. Uptrend, boom, breakout. And then if we look, bring that down here, look at the monthly. It did break out all-time highs, so we're looking for a more bullish run-up. Laser, we're looking at calls. All these trades you're seeing here, they're all calls. So Lulu, another one. Look at this, probably a long swing. Looking at least 360. So 2 weeks out, 360 calls, or March 19th, 390 calls. Neo, breakout. Look to get shares. Could hit $70 or swing trade it. Could hit $70. NRZ, this actually broke out of the trend, so we can see it's going to come and try to fill this gap at around $14. There also is a gap here around $11, so make sure you watch it if you're going to get in that. PFE, every time earnings happens and dividends, as you can see it dips down, it dipped down. So I'm probably going to look for a trend back up to 36. PG, again, it filled the gap down here. So there is a gap here, but I don't see it breaking down that far. So I'm going to look to get a trade up to here. Probably get shares because Procter & Gamble sucks with options. And been trading a while, been trading Procter & Gamble. I recommend don't trade options with them. Implied volatility is super low and lots of people don't actually jump in on these. Piton, again, easy uptrend. If it breaks, it's a sell, but if it doesn't, we're looking for new highs, 170. Qton, again, dips on ER. If it holds, if it breaks above the red line, then I'm going to get in and 160 calls at the max. Another one, earnings. Doesn't like earnings. Does bad on earnings, but it still runs up. Looking to fill this gap right here, 255 calls. Or 225 calls max. Run, looking bullish. Just still in the trend. Walmart, if you didn't, in my last video I told you guys enter Walmart. If you did, then you're looking pretty good. If you didn't, then, well, you missed out on a good trade. We're up about 100%. I actually told my members to take profit tomorrow, so that's what we're looking to do. And then Apple, you already saw it. So I hope you guys did enjoy this week's video. If this helped you in any way, leave a like and actually drop a like for the YouTube algorithm. And then if you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments down below, and I'll try to reach out and answer them, or I'll make a video on it, try to help you guys out. Alright, I'll see you later. Peace.